I created this date night look. Please keep watching. Hi, again. I already have my foundation, bronze, no, not bronze, contour. I contoured my nose, my cheeks. I have concealer on. So my face is ready. So I'm gonna put my eyeshadow on now. It's a look that is gonna be like a purple, like kind of a purple violet color, but a light, like nice. And this palette is called Aromas. It's a dupe for an Anastasia Beverly Hills or Huda. I'm not sure which one it is. I just know I just paid $9.99 for it in Amazon. Well, I'm gonna start with the color as a transition color. I believe it's called Misty, as you can see right here, this beautiful shade. I'm gonna start it off as my transition shade. Can you see, guys? Let's do it on the other eye. This eye always gives me a problem. Like I have to look back because I'm right-handed. So, like I was saying, this is a date night look to go out with your husband, your boyfriend, your lover, whatever it may be. Because us women have to keep the romance alive, and our men are fascinated when they see gorgeous women on TV, and like we feel like, oh, we can't look like, we don't look like them. We feel like, I wish I could look like her. Maybe my husband or my boyfriend will love me more. But yes, we can do it. We can do our best with makeup. We can transform ourselves, especially when you do it with love. Anything you do with love comes out perfect. Not perfect, but great. Especially if you're doing this because you love somebody. I'm not saying that makeup is gonna make a person love you, but he's gonna be more excited. He's gonna feel proud to walk around with you. So now I'm gonna go and with a darker shade, I'm gonna use, let's see which one we're gonna use. How about this Tease? What a name, Tease. That's what guys like, for us to be a tease. So yeah, when it comes to relationship, guys like to be teased. I love to talk about romance and relationships and how to make it better. Maybe I should have a YouTube channel about love and sex, but because I love to talk about that. But I guess we can talk about it while I do my makeup. So yeah, guys like to be teased. It's like when you go to a restaurant, and like a 5-course restaurant, they give you an appetizer, a soup, and you start getting excited and eating a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and next thing you know, you're looking forward to that big course. And That's how guys are. Guys, let me tell you something. I posted my first official video about like a week ago. The title was How to Look Hot Over 40. And it lasted 46 minutes. I believe only 13 people have watched it. Because I didn't know that, well, let me talk about the color that I'm going to use now. I'm going to use the color Love Bite. You all know what that is. A love bite. Or a hickey, like other people call it. So yeah, the video was 46 minutes long. I did a full face. I started from scratch. I even put moisturizer on my lips. And I thought, I was like, oh, this is a great video. They're gonna learn everything. I'm gonna teach them everything. And no, I honestly, I don't want to watch a 46-minute long video. I'm sure, no, I mean, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes top. So I'm gonna try and be fast, because I haven't love bite here. I haven't learned how to edit yet completely. I'm working on it. But if I did, I will be doing more videos, because like I said in my previous video, I have a lot of time on my hands. Let's see, does it look even? I have a lot of time on my hands. So guys, what do you think a perfect date night would be to you guys? Like, what would you like your husband to do to you? Comment down below so that we could talk about it more on other videos that I make. Now I'm gonna go with a lighter shade on my lid. And I'm gonna put it with my fingers. Let's see which one. Right here. I think the camera is the mirror. Right here. No, I used Misty already. Bare, like bare naked. Yeah. This is a bad aromas palette. It's very steamy. It should have been called Hot Stuff. One thing I want to tell you guys, if you hear any ambulance noise or any fire truck, I live in New York City, right next to a highway. And you're gonna hear all kinds of noises. So let me hurry up, because I can talk a lot. Crush. I'm gonna use this color right here on the center. I'm gonna do it with my finger too, my middle finger, but I don't mean to. You know what? I'm not flicking you. I'm just using my middle finger. Okay. It's like a glitter. See how beautiful that looks? So guys, I recommend that you buy this palette. It's only $9.99. And if you don't know how to apply makeup, if you don't have a lot of experience applying makeup, you can practice with this and not have to spend a fortune. Let me put a little bit more. I had a little fallout, so let me be quicker here because I don't want this video to be forever. I'm gonna put a darker shade on my lower lid. Let it be, let's do Love Bite again. I like that one. Picky, in other words. Now I'm gonna stop the video. I don't know if I should do a wing liner. I might or I might not because I'm kind of perfecting it now. It takes a lot of practice, but you can get there. I might do a video about, because I have one, but it sucks. It's terrible. I'm gonna delete it, but I would like to leave it there just so that people can laugh. But I'm gonna turn the camera off right now, and I'm going to put my eyelashes and wing eyeliner, and then we're gonna finish this look. It's a hot date night look. So guys, I'm back. I decided not to do a wing liner because I don't want to complicate things for you guys. I want to make it easy. I don't want you to get too anxious when you're gonna go out with your man and then make a mess and then look like a clown. No, I decided not to do a wing, so I just put my eyelashes. And remember guys, I sell my own brand of lashes on Amazon. I'm gonna put a link if you want to support me. If you don't want to, it's okay. I don't want to. This video is not about, you know, selling anything. So let's put some highlighter on. This is my Fenty Beauty that I paid $27 for at Sephora, but I don't like to pay full price. It was on sale. I buy most of my makeup on eBay and Mercari. You get a lot of deals. Sometimes they're used, but I sanitize them and who cares. So I'm gonna be using this like purplish like kind of shade, you know, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones, my so-called cheekbones, because I don't have any. And I don't do it here because it looks like I have a sweaty lip. I don't, for some reason it looks like I have a sweaty lip. Maybe I'll do it right here. Yeah. Oh, and my favorite part, the middle of the nose. Not the middle, the point of the nose. No, I don't like how that purple looks. Let's do a little white silver. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. So yeah guys, I'm Spanish, so I make a lot of mistakes when I'm talking. I say I say this, that, because English is my second language, but I'm getting there. So let's do lips. This is the most important thing. Lip liner. This is your best friend because with it you can achieve sexy, pouty, irresistible lips, and that is what you want. So overline, that's my tip, overline. I go like this. Here, you see my lip is like, my real lip is down here and this lip is up here. Yeah, we all want to look like Angelina Jolie. Lips. That's good, right? So when I put my lipstick on, I try to cover the lip line. I'll show you. And by the way, I did some inner highlights on my inner corners with that white. Let me show you this color right here from the Fenty Beauty highlighter palette. My camera, I did something so dumb with the camera, and I had to record all over again. So the lipstick that I'm gonna be using is called Veronica, a hot sexy name for a hot sexy date. Veronica. I was thinking if I should put a little bit of lip gloss, but this lipstick is kind of moist, so it doesn't look very dry. It's very good, actually. And it lasts all day. You kind of need for it to dry, but I am going to put a tiny bit of lip gloss right here and down here. This is something I got from an Ipsy bag. It's called Lemonade. Not an Ipsy bag. The Ipsy Glam bag is $25. Mucho caliente. And one good thing is that these lipsticks are like transfer proof, so like you could make out with your husband or your lover, your boyfriend. And I like the way I'm looking. Mucho caliente. So we've come to the end of this video. You know, I'm not, well, tell you the truth, I'm not going anywhere. Between us, I'm not going anywhere. I might, who knows, maybe I get lucky. But I'm not gonna spray my face with this, but I am gonna spray some of this. Oh yeah, your husband is gonna love it when he smells so good, and right in the middle of your hot mamas. Okay, so I love this look. I hope you love it too. Let me model for you a little bit. Oh yeah. And if you like it, please subscribe and please press the like button. I want to become your friend. I want to talk about sex. I want to talk about romance. I want to talk about all that, and at the same time I want to do makeup. So my loves, love you, and thank you for letting me spend this little time with you guys. Bye for now.